pilots and internally in the hardware. That includes missiles, search crews, just long range gliders, and they come back.
So now they're going to restart it, see?
That's about 260 kilometers an hour. The aircraft flying and will strictly demonstrate a terrain avoidance climb and then pre-position for landing.
Is it only going to drop one?
That one will, yep.